Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIYer. Today we are going to look at the Bopluma knee brace. Now this is a really awesome little knee brace. If you're a bicyclist or runner, if you're in the construction industry like I am and you're going up and down ladders, up and down stairs, this thing is fantastic. Now let me explain to you, throw this down here a little out of my way so I can show you how this works. Some of the really nice features, this thing wraps all the way around. It expands really nicely. You can see how my fingers push up through it. It's got a lot of flexibility. This is going to be the XXX. They go all the way from small to XXX. Some of the things I really like is the way they do all of this stitching and everything that holds everything together here. They have a little bit of feels like a silicone base, so it keeps it from kind of sliding. They have bracing on the sides that are stitched in. Let me turn it inside out so you can see that. You can see the stitching where they stitch that in. It's flexible, but yet gives you some support. And one of the things I really like is around the kneecap, they have some really nice cushioning that will cushion around the outside, hollow on the inside, so that it allows your kneecap to still move, but holds it in nicely. It's also not just stitched one direction, it's stitched both directions, so it allows it to actually breathe. And if it gets dirty and sweaty, you can pull it off and just go throw it in a washing machine. I do like that. That means that this thing will last a long time, especially with what I do. I'm going to actually take this thing real quick and we are going to try to slide it on and see how it works. That's why I have on my Crocs right now and shorts. Now I did try this with jeans. It will slide up over the top of the jeans if you are a construction worker, but I would suggest going ahead and putting it on first and then put your jeans on. It'll probably work a little bit better, especially with the grippers on the sides. So let's see how this actually goes. So we're going to take it, put it on, and slide it up. And it fits really nice. I have good sized legs, so it's hard for me to find a brace that actually works for me. But I can move, I can raise it all the way up, it's not binding, and it almost, with the little flex pieces they have on the side, it helps you actually bring your leg back down because it's almost like a rubber band. So overall, guys, great little knee brace. So if you're needing a knee brace, if you're an athlete, or if you're in construction and you just want a little extra support, do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. I don't think you'll regret it. We will see you guys on the next one.